Question 22 is all about double angles, and I've seen some confusion with double angles, but again, it's just looking up stuff on a reference sheet. And if you don't have enough information in the question, you make triangles. For 22a, it wants me to evaluate the sine of 2x, and the only information that they gave me was that the sine of x is equal to 4/5. I know it's an acute angle, therefore the triangle is going to be in the first quadrant. So remember that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, which makes the adjacent side 3. So if I need to pick off cosine, cosine is 3/5. So going back to the sine to theta formula, and it is a double angle because there's a big 2 in front of the angle. Go to your sine double angle formula, which is on the right-hand side of your reference sheet. It's going to say 2 sine A cos A. Instead of A's, we're going to use X's because that's what's in the problem. Sine of X they gave me was 4/5. You don't keep the sine. The sine of X is equivalent to 4/5. 4/5 is not an angle, it's a ratio of sides. Cosine of X we figured out from the triangle was 3/5. And then you just type this into the calculator to get your 24/25. If you want to do it without the calculator, you put this over 1, multiply the numerators across, and the denominators across. So that was part A. Part B was cosine double angle with the same information. Now I have 3 choices with cosine double angle, all on the reference sheet. The cosine squared A minus sine squared A isn't used that often. You could sometimes in trig equation solving or identities, but you want to pick something that, in this case, my easiest choice was to pick something that had sine in it because I already had sine. I mean, I do have that triangle and I could pull off the cosine one, it's fine. Some students don't know how to put this into the calculator. Look how I set it up. There's the 1, there's the minus, there's the 2. Instead of running sine squared x, I put a set of parentheses and put the squared over there. It's really like sine x times sine x, or sine x quantity squared, and we know sine x is 4/5. Type it in the calculator and everything's lovely. -7/25. Last but not least, tan 2x. We don't want to forget about tangent. It's not that hard. Sometimes it's a little bit more work, but not a big deal. Tangent, we know, is opposite over hypotenuse. We need tan A. So we go to our trusty triangle, which I can't find. Where are you? There you are. So tangent's going to be 4/3, opposite over hypotenuse. I lied. Opposite, adjacent, wait, TOA. Can I just redo, can I get a second cut on this? Opposite over adjacent. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Yeah, I got it now. Lips are working. All right, so back to this. So we have tangent is opposite over adjacent, or 4/3. So wherever I see tangent A, I put 4/3. It's 2 times 4/3, 1 minus 4/3 quantity squared, just like we talked about before. Type it all into the calculator using the fraction feature, brilliance, and you get your -24/7. Sorry about that confusion. Bye.